Before we begin, let me tell you about the Lepka Show channel. This is a beginner creator and he has already gained his first 1,000 subscribers quite quickly. The creator sculpts figures of characters out of clay and he does it very well. He has already made characters like Venom Morgenstern, Light Fury and many others. Let's support this new creator with subs and likes. Link to their channel in the description. Hi all, Headmead here. In this video I'll disassemble the Lada Vesta Sport and crash test it. And here's roughly what we should get. I plan to simulate a collision with a tree, but before that let's take a detailed look at the car. I sculpted this Lada out of modeling clay, both sculptural and colored, and also coated it with a clear varnish for shine. The modified headlights immediately grab attention. They aren't standard. I chose to modernize them. It creates the impression that this strip from the bumper flows into the headlight, thus continuing the curved shape. It looks interesting. I also changed the wheels. Decided to put wheels with a lip here because the standard ones looked boring. You have to agree, they look damn cool on it, and even the wheel is made of modeling clay. Well, in general I detailed this car very thoroughly, tried to work on its interior, did everything the way it should be. Of course, the sports version has red aggressive elements. They are present on the seats with side support, and also on the dashboard. And on the door panels. They also made the engine. Let's examine it. I built a 1.8-liter stock engine producing 145 horsepower. The maximum speed is 120 miles/h, but it accelerates to 100 in 9.6 seconds. But honestly, I wouldn't call this a sports version. Let's now examine the underbody, which I also inspected. Here we see the suspension, oil pan, exhaust and other components. Well, that's how I managed to make it. So, how exactly will the crash test be conducted? I will accelerate the car using the remote control along the created lane, and at the end I will crash into the Lada. I will install a special battering ram in the form of a tree trunk on the car itself. And the collisions will occur at a speed of about 35 to 40 kilometers per hour, since this remote controlled car can accelerate up to 40 kilometers per hour. Well then, let's get started. The collision was minor, but the damage is still significant. The hood flew off, revealing the badly bent metal and slightly displaced engine from above. The front wheel also took quite a hit. It's a shame to break wheels like that, but oh well. The rear bumper also got a bit scratched, and the exhaust got bent. Crashed into the right side again while trying to go to the center. But nothing too critical happened here, except that the windshield popped out. And also the front fender got bent and the rim got a little scratched. We can also see that the roof is already warped and the doors are a bit bent out. The impact was very strong. Just look at how badly the doors crumpled. That's just unbelievable. The seat is probably crumpled in there too. Meanwhile, on the other side, the rear wheel was torn off. Incredible. Well, of course, the doors and the roof came apart. Just look at how far the door went into the cabin. Wow, look at what's happening over there on the side. Whoa, now that's what I call something. The car crashed right into the tree. Yeah, that's some serious damage for sure. And here's how it looks from above. Well, I don't even know, it's just... This is a fiasco. This crash test was likely the most severe. The vehicle was extremely crumpled, making it hard to believe. Here's how it all looks from above, and here's what's happening underneath. Yeah, it's just some kind of total mess. I guess we'll wrap it up here. I put this Lada with the rest of the wrecked cars, and there are more and more of them every day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye, everyone.